Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Dontimtv, and today I'm hanging out with one of my homies.
White.
Yeah, so today, you know what time it is? This is the Christmas period, and this video I'm about to go to the street and give to the homeless. So please, you guys should make sure that you guys subscribe and drop a like on this video. And please turn on your post notification bell and make sure you drop a comment down below.
Please do us a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe to this channel. You know what's up? And make sure you show some love to some people. This is Christmas period, so make sure you show some love to people around you. Alright? With that being said, stick around and make sure you watch this video from beginning to end. Let's hop into this video. Okay, alright, so you guys should make sure you put smile on someone's face this Christmas. This is actually meant to be fun, and please, I want to give a special shout out to my guy OPO for making this experiment. It's actually the sponsor of this video, so please, you guys should make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell, and make sure you follow us on Instagram at Dontimtv. Alright, I want to give a special shout out to my homie that helps me out, and also the guy behind the camera, M-Lot. This has been the guy that I've been behind the camera. See, let me tell you guys, we are not doing this because we have a lot. We're just doing this because we just want to show love to one another. You two can share the love to one another. And I think we are done with this experiment, bro. Just take a look. These people outside, they are virtually they're literally homeless. They don't have any place to stay. That's why they're outside there. So you guys should please make sure you help one another. If you see anybody that is in need of anything, make sure you help him out or her out. All right? Hallelujah. I think this was a success, and please, you guys should make sure you show love to one another. This is actually Christmas, right? See you guys in our next video. Make sure you watch our videos from beginning to end. Amen.